Here with you unboxing my new Pico Pocket Projector, mobile Android projector, or smart projector if you want to call it. So let's see what's inside the box. So yeah, nice packaging. You have a quick start manual. You have the actual projector. It's fairly slim, not much more than a smartphone. Nice and sleek. I'll test out the quality shortly. Let's see what else in the box. They give you a carrying case, velvet carrying case, nice. And let's see what's in this box. You have HDMI cable. I didn't even know that they were giving you HDMI cable. You have your charging brick, and what's in this box? You have a USB connector. You have a mouse. To give you a mouse as well too. My goodness. And last but not least, what's in this box? I believe this should be the tripod stand as promised. Yes, it's the tripod stand, as well as some kind of adapter as well too. You have a lot in this box for the simple price. It's the PocketPico Pocket Projector, mobile Android projector. That's it.